right, another way of acquiring PPE or property, plant, and equipment on account subject to cash discount. So dito, si buyer, uutangin niya ngayon ang PPE from the seller. Sa on account, short period of time lang ang utang ni buyer kay seller. That's why gagamitin natin ang ating accounts payable, example 30 days lang or 60 days lang, itong utang ni buyer kay seller. So on the books of the buyer, i-record natin yan as accounts payable. On the books of seller naman, though hindi natin papakialaman ang books ni seller, si seller, i-record niya yan as an accounts receivable. Si buyer, i-record niya as an accounts payable. Si seller naman, on the books of the seller, i-record niya ito as accounts receivable. Pero magpo-focus tayo sa accounts payable dahil si buyer ang naka-receive ng PPE. So, on this way of acquiring PPE or property, plant, and equipment, there are two methods na pwedeng gamitin ng ating company. So, we have the gross method and the net method. So, dalawa ang method na pwedeng pagpilian ng company. It's either you will record this transaction sa gross method or the net method. The biggest question here on this on-account subject to cash discount is, what is the cost of the asset using the gross method or the net method? So, kapag gumamit ka ng gross method ba or the net method, parehas bang kanilang entry or parehas lang ang kanilang end result of the PPE? Yan ang ating aalamin dito sa on-account subject to cash discount. So, para maintindihan natin itong on-account subject to cash discount, magbibigay ako ng practice questions at isusulat natin ang ating journal entries using the gross methods and the net methods. Tapos, para makita natin side by side ang kanilang mga entries at doon natin madidetermine kung parehas ba sila ng end result of the cost of the asset. Ang practice questions natin is, Goodwill Company purchased a machinery at a cost of 300,000 with terms 2/30 and ends over 45. Ang 2/30 ay meron 2% na cash discount si Goodwill kapag nagbayad siya within 30 days. Yan po ang cash discount ni Goodwill. Then, N/45, wala na siyang cash discount. Hindi na niya avail ang cash discount kapag nagbayad siya beyond 30 days. Pero babayaran pa rin niya ito within 45 days. Ito po ang ating practice questions at isusulat ko dito ang ating gross method and the net method side by side para makikita natin kung ano ang mga journal entries na gagawin natin with regards to this transaction. So, ito ang ating gross methods and net method. Aalamin natin kung ano ang ating journal entry sa acquisitions o kapag nagbayad ang company within the discount period, ano ang mga journal entries niya at ano ang journal entry naman natin kapag nagbayad ang company beyond the discount period. Ikukumpara natin ang mga entries na yan using the gross method at ang net method. So, Goodwill Company purchased a machinery at a cost of 300,000 with a term 2/30 and end over 45. Big sabihin, meron siyang 2% na cash discount, which is 300,000 times 2% is equal to 6,000. So, meron siyang cash discount of 6,000 on this practice question kapag nagbayad siya within the discount period. So, on the acquisition date, nung in-acquire ng buyer ang machinery na ito, ang ating entry using the gross method is debit to machinery and credit to accounts payable. Ang entry natin on the gross method is debit to machinery of 300,000 and credit to accounts payable of 300,000. Yan ang entry natin sa acquisition date. Dahil gross method, ito, yung buong amount ng purchase price natin, yan ang i-debit natin sa machinery and i-credit natin sa accounts payable. On the other hand, ang net method naman is we debit the machinery and we credit the accounts payable. But this time, it's gonna be the net of the cash discount. So yan ang magiging entry natin using the net method. Debit to machinery of 294,000 and credit to accounts payable of 294,000. Bakit 294,000? Inalista natin ang ating cash discount na 2%. Lagay ko dito. Ang cash discount natin, 300,000 times the 2% is 6,000. Yan ang ibabawas natin sa 300,000 na purchase price using the net method. So, net na ang i-debit natin sa ating machinery at i-credit natin sa accounts payable. Then, kapag nagbayad ang company within the discount period using the gross method, our entry will be debit to the accounts payable and credit to cash, then credit to machinery. So, using the gross method, ang entry natin on the payment within the discount period is debit to accounts payable of 300,000. Aalisin na natin ang ating accounts payable kasi nagbayad na tayo. Then, credit to cash of 294,000. 294,000 lang ang ibinayad ng company sa seller dahil na-avail niya ang cash discount na 6,000. Then, ibabawas natin yung cash discount sa ating machinery. So, kung titignan mo dito sa ating machinery account, we have a debit of 300,000 and we have a credit of 6,000. So, ang cost of the machinery is 294,000. On the net method naman, our entry on the payment within the discount period is debit to accounts payable of 294,000 and credit to cash of 294,000. On the net method, ang entry natin kapag nagbayad ang company within the discount period is debit to accounts payable. Aalisin na natin ang ating accounts payable kasi nagbayad na tayo. Then credit to cash of 294,000. So kung titingnan mo dito sa net method, ang machinery mo is 294,000 dahil ibinawas na natin ang ating cash discount nung in-acquire natin ang machinery na yon using the net method. And kapag nagbayad ang company beyond the discount period, ang ibig sabihin, hindi na niya maa-avail ang ating cash discount. So, hindi na ma-avail ng company ang cash discount because nagbayad siya beyond the discount period. Our entry on the gross method is debit to accounts payable, debit to purchase discount loss, credit to cash, and credit to machinery. Kapag ang company ay nagbayad beyond the discount period, our entry on the gross method is debit to accounts payable of 300,000. Aalisin na natin ang ating account na accounts payable dahil nagbayad na tayo. Then, debit to purchase discount loss na 6,000. Yun po yun ang ating cash discount na na-loss natin dahil nagbayad tayo beyond the discount period. Then, we credit the cash na 300,000 dahil babayaran niya yung buong utang niya na 300,000 na walang discount. Then, we credit the machinery of 6,000. So, kung titignan mo dito sa gross method, ang machinery ay still 294,000. Ang end result nito is 294,000 ang cost ng machinery. So, kung titignan natin dito sa account, we have a debit of machinery of 300,000 300,000, tapos nagbayad siya beyond the discount, nag-credit tayo ng machinery na 6,000 because na-loss natin ang discount, and the purchase discount loss na account ay i-present natin sa ating income statement of 6,000. On the other hand, sa net method naman, ang entry natin kapag nagbayad ang company beyond the discount period, the entry will be debit to accounts payable. Alright, so the entry on the net method is kapag nagbayad ang company beyond the discount period, we debit our accounts payable of 294,000. 294,000 kasi ang nirecord natin na liability natin nung in-acquire natin ang ating machinery is 294,000. So yan din ang ika-cancel natin na amount kapag nagbayad na tayo. Then we will have an account purchase discount loss. Ito po yung cash discount na supposed to be ma-avail natin kung nagbayad tayo within the discount period. Dahil hindi tayo nagbayad, magre-recognize tayo ng purchase discount loss of 6,000. Then credit to cash of 300,000. 300,000 na ang binayaran niya kasi wala siyang discount. So lahat ng 300,000 purchase price ng machinery na yon ay pinayaran ng company. So kung titingnan natin dito, whether we use the gross method or the net method, the end result will be the same. Magiging parehas lang ang amount ng machinery natin whether we use the gross method or the net method. So kung titingnan mo dito sa gross method, 294,000 pa rin ang cost of the asset or yung machinery. Dito naman sa net method, parehas lang na 294,000. Whether the company pays the machinery within the discount period or beyond the discount period, ang machinery natin, ang PPE natin ay the same amount of 294,000. Therefore, ang cost of the asset is equal to the purchase price minus the cash discount. Ito ang tatandaan mo. On account subject to cash discount, whether nagbayad ang company within the discount period or beyond the discount period, gamit niya ang gross method or gamit niya ang net method, parehas lang ang end result nito. Ang cost ng asset ng PPE will be the purchase price minus the cash discount. So, ibabawas natin ang cash discount whether nagbayad siya within the discount period or hindi siya nagbayad within the discount period at na-loss niya ang cash discount. Another thing is whether you use the gross method or the net method. Kapag nagbayad ang company beyond the discount period, nagre-recognize ang company ng tinatawag na purchase discount loss. Yan po yung cash discount na loss ng company by not paying the machinery within the discount period. At itong purchase discount loss ay pinipresent natin sa ating income statement. So, ganito po ang ating on account subject to cash discount. I'll see you on my next acquisition of PPE.